Morning Concord, Baron 423 Charlie Lima.
Oh, you're still transmitting.
Say again.
Hi, it's Baron 423 Charlie Lima. We're over at the C hangars. I'd like to taxi the VFR today. We have golf.
Baron 423 Charlie Lima. Okay, what direction are you going to go VFR in?
We're going to go to Burlington, so we'll eastbound. You put that in there?
Yeah.
Or you already did?
And Baron 423 Charlie Lima, roger, taxi to runway 20 via Alpha.
20 via Alpha, 23 Charlie Lima. Immediate takeoff, 23 Charlie Lima for runway 20.
Archer 51 Papa, traffic departing Baron.
You're down,
Cessna 805, right close traffic.
Everything's good.
Right close traffic, Cessna 61805.
Years of Hallmark's countdown to Christmas with timeless Christmas music.
Put that off for a moment. Airspeed is alive.
Yeah. Everything's in the green. Full power.
Blue line, gear up.
There we go.
Got him off to the right.
Yep, there'll be a left turn.
Yeah.
Baron 423 Charlie Lima, good work, turn left on course.
On left on course for 23 Charlie Lima. Thanks for your help today.
Archer 952 Alpha, traffic short fellows and Archer to follow.
Traffic in sight, runway 20952 Alpha.
Archer 952 Alpha, follow that Archer, runway 20 number 2, clear for the touch and go, make short approach behind that Archer. Traffic on a 4-mile final is another Archer coming in.
Short approach, runway 295 Alpha.
Yep, we got the antenna here.
7805, extend downwind, you'll be number 3.
Extend downwind, number
I didn't know there's another quarry on this side of the airport, I guess.
Archer 504 Alpha.
I never paid attention.
Approach speed, you'll be following traffic turning off of a right base to follow as an
When you're a
Archer.
passenger, you look around a little more.
Yeah, I look down a little bit more often.
Archer 851 Papa.
Well, thanks for squeezing me in today. I know you've got other stuff going on.
I was looking forward to it, actually. I haven't flown for a couple weeks. Last time we flew.
Yeah.
So.
Archer 504 Alpha, that traffic's on a close-in right base. Archer 504 Alpha, follow the Archer, number 2
fly an
now, runway 20,
Okay.
clear to land.
Okay.
Cessna 805,
And I'm going to set the autopilot and see if it'll track.
Okay.
Looking for the traffic.
You want the ILS for 6 over there?
Yeah. I looked at the
Which one do you want, Yankee or Zulu?
the first one. Yeah,
Yankee it is.
I looked at it and it's the
Yeah, and do you want vectors or cackle, or how do you want to...
Let's do Cackle.
Cackle? Okay.
Load.
That's fine. Direct. Okay, desired track is now 064, so come right about 10 degrees, 15 degrees.
064?
Yep,
Cessna
064.
805, you can start your right base.
Right base, 805, full
I
stop
think,
landing.
if you want to glance,
Cessna 805,
I think
roger.
it's,
What you got?
4,000, I think, is where it need to be.
Oh, okay,
You got
I
it
got
for
the
a
plan. I got it.
Your airplane.
Archer 952 Alpha, right close traffic.
Right close traffic, 952 Alpha.
Cessna 805, your traffic's on a half a mile straight in final, runway 20, clear to land.
Runway 20, clear to land, Cessna 61805.
It's 3,000.
3,000? Oh,
Actually,
4,000
it's
until you get to
4,000.
Cankle, okay.
Yeah. So we'll just go right up to 4,000.
Okay.
Be flat for a moment.
I miss my Bonanza. Buying another airplane for a week, so I got a second toy to fly.
Birds off the north end of the runway.
Cess 805, Roger. Thank you for the bird advisory report.
I didn't see any birds. Alright.
They were afraid of you.
Archer 504 Alpha, turn right.
That our heading right there?
Label and
You got it.
Alpha to the
06.
ramp.
So it takes the 080 to hold it? I can't see it with the...
Yeah, 064. I need to come 2 degrees left, but...
Okay. Alright. Heading bug. Flight director.
Yep. I'm just adjusting here.
Alright.
Oh, that's too much. Oh, go ahead.
Autopilot is on.
Okay.
Not hold is on.
There you go.
4,000, 23, 21. I'll go ahead and close flaps. Got some air, you feeling?
Yeah.
Alright.
No, doing good. Here we go.
Then the frequency is at the 10 is already in there.
122.97, I believe, is the frequency. That's what your GPS said it was.
I'm at for the...
Oh, yeah, in GPS and route here.
Yeah, 111.35. Alright.
That is now
Perfect,
active and on your number 1 there.
Yeah.
Yeah, 135, what is it? 135, 325. Yeah, for ATIS over there, and what is 120? Is it 122.97, which is what I got there. Okay, we got the frequency set up for you.
Alright.
Archer 9052 Alpha, traffic is assessed.
All right,
Short
so-
panel.
Alright, so
Cool.
Traffic in sight, 952 Alpha.
right now we're still on nav, so we'll switch it over.
Cessna number 2, runway 20, clear for the touch.
I do want to switch. We can, this is just the frequency over there.
No, I meant for that.
Oh, yeah.
The eyes on GPS still.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
I just gotta remember to flip that.
And the inbound heading is what, 06? I can't remember what the inbound heading was. Inbound heading is going to be 060.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, really straight in.
Yeah, we're almost.
Cessna 805, turn right at Echo and taxi
Okay,
Echo
cool.
to the ramp.
Turn right at Echo, taxi to the ramp, Cessna 61805, thanks for your help.
All right.
Basically 3,000 here down, we 5 miles, 6 miles out.
Tower Cessna
Yeah.
110, sir, Quebec holding short runway 20, ready for takeoff.
At HB.
Ken? Oh, if you have HB, that's in NDB. I wonder if it actually functions anymore.
Holding short runway 20,
361. I wonder if this thing works.
I haven't used it in years. Be on the bottom.
That's a frequency, so now go to 3.
61. That's gonna be gone.
Current heading is
064.
Yeah. Well, it looks like it's generally pointing the right direction. Kind of. We'll see if it works.
Yeah.
They don't have it. I got it.
I'm gonna see if this XM will come on.
Thumbs up or thumbs down to the songs played. Plus, now you can watch some of your favorite SiriusXM shows.
I was wondering if they had it for a minute. I was curious, since they have it looks like a functioning NDB out there. I was curious if they still had an NDB approach out there. It'd be interesting to actually shoot an NDB approach.
With that?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
That's a little ways out of your normal instrument scan to see it there. But
952
Definitely is,
Alpha,
isn't it?
right close traffic.
Right, close traffic, 952 Alpha.
Cessna 110, Sierra Quebec, runway 20, right close traffic, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 20, right close traffic, that's the 110, circle back.
Well, I guess my Bonanza is getting pretty close to being done. They were saying that the panel is cut for it, and
So it's close.
yeah, and then they got all the wiring done. I was there last week, and they're ready to start putting stuff back into the airplane. So I guess once they get the panel into the plane, they start assembling stuff. Then it's
Just a matter of time.
It's a couple of days for programming everything, and then a day or two of calibration or whatever, so I won't have it by next weekend. I was really hoping to be able to fly it down to Nick's place for that, for his family fly-in, but...
That's next Saturday?
Yeah. Are you going to go to it, or you have plans, or...?
I'm not sure yet. I might have plans. I got to
okay.
get a few days closer.
Gotcha.
I'd like to go. That runway grass strip's about 3,700, was it?
3,000 something, yeah, grass runway.
Yeah.
So a little under half the length of Triple Tree. And way narrower.
Along with listening in your car as part of our select package.
I'm going to put the nav on, see if it'll follow it.
Sure.
$5 a month plus fees and taxes. Call 844-711-8800 to find out more about these amazing...
We'll see.
Yeah. Let's see what happens. Let's see if she comes back over the other way now.
Definitely, a lot of... It turned quite a bit, though.
Now, I'm curious, if you turn your nav back to the 065...
That's what it's on right now.
No, your OBS to... Or, I'm sorry.
Heading bug?
No. Turn your... put that on whatever you're on before. Now, sync that up with your heading bug. So take your big yellow guy and line it up with the...
It should be on 064.
It should be, but...
Runway 20, clear for...
Yeah, we're right on... well, no, it's showing a 050, huh?
Yeah, we're nowhere near our course.
Unless it's...
Cessna 0 Sierra Quebec, traffic a mile ahead of you on the downwinds and Archer to Fowler.
That's strange. Let's see if it'll turn back.
Let me try something here. I'm just going to go direct.
2, runway 20, cleared to land.
Yeah.
Number 2, clear to land. Runway 20, that's a 110.
And now let's see if it brings us back the other direction.
Still turning left.
Yeah.
CBC's Mad Money, heard right here on Sirius XM. As your investing coach, it's my personal mission to teach you how to become better at managing your money. You know what? Think of this as investing.
It shows the coldness.
If you're on nav, it should be bringing us this way. But we're 10 degrees off on the track right now. Well, let's see what happens when the needle pulls out there.
That's what I was going to say. Now we're going back a little.
Looking for a full stop.
No, it's starting to slowly drop.
Yeah.
25 Gilligal Concord.
So it's following, and it's just not as precise, or it's
Straight in final runway 20.
just not grounded super close. Well, we'll see what happens here.
Reporting on a 4-mile final for runway 20, 55 Gilligal.
Well, here's the CDI for the digital CDI, and you can see it's coming off to the side just a little bit.
Yep.
So this thing should be, and it is correcting back the other way slowly, so it's probably grabbing it.
Yeah, because it's showing where we had the heading bug. It's getting back to where it needs to be for crabbing.
Okay.
So, yeah,
That's doing it then. All right, it just took a minute. Cool. All right.
8800 to find out more about these amazing offers.
I guess you got these little hills out here is why we're at 4,000.
Yeah, there's some antennas and whatever out here. But
I always write the music first.
a couple little bumps in the landscape.
Yeah, a little bit. What is this airplane you're looking at today? What are we going over for?
It's a 1969 Citabria. So it's a little tail dragger. And so we'll see what it looks like. I think I told you I did my BFR, about a month ago now, 3 weeks ago, in a 1946 Rocket Champ down in Monroe, and I passed the BFR. I got signed off in the BFR, so that was good. But clearly, I could use some practice in tailwheel. So this thing came up, and I thought, well, we'll see if it works out. It'd be a good way to get some tailwheel practice while I'm waiting for the Bonanza to come back from the shop.
Absolutely. Well, hopefully you'll get your plane back in a
in a week or so.
Yeah. So
Ah, well, it'll be something fun to do for a couple of months. Alright, gear down. Drop the gear. Nice. Good. It says approach coupled. Do we have, it doesn't say GS.
Yeah, GS.
Oh, there it is, okay. Wow, why did I not see it? I was staring right at it.
Burlington traffic, Cessna November 8064 Lima. Turning left crosswind for 6.
She's not going down.
To the north Burlington.
Oh yeah, now she's going down. Yep.
Our best package for only.
All right, 500 feet a minute.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give you this one.
Sure, I got it.
And we're full flat or half lap.
Okay.
This will be a touch and go.
Yep, flaps are coming in. I got them half in.
How far are we? I can't read it. Are you got
4 miles.
All right.
We're just out of
Line traffic 94822, turning left base, runway 6, Burlington.
Burlington traffic, Baron 423, Charlie Lima is about 6 miles to the southwest inbound ILS 6, Burlington, looking for the traffic. Looks like we got several planes in the pattern right now, so we'll probably have to cut off a little bit early.
The lights are on.
Yep. One's on base, we have one on...
Burlington traffic, night on 40, single Marine helicopter is approximately 6.6 nautical miles out for a straight in runway 06, night on 40, Burlington traffic.
How far was he?
6.5 miles out.
Burlington traffic 94822, turning final runway 6, Burlington.
.com/go to sign up online quickly or call 844-7.
Burlington traffic, Baron 423, Charlie Lima's over Alum, 5 mile final for runway 6, practice ILS 6.
One of our favorite parts is when
Definitely seems like it's tracking off.
Yeah. Alright, 866 are our minimums.
High school, and that you
All right. Couple back over. I'll slow us down a little more.
Alright, lights are on, gears down, 3 green.
Sirius XM 108. To hear Hoda on Today's Show Radio, activate your radio.
Yeah, I asked them if they had us. Burlington traffic, Baron 423 Charlie Lima. We're on a 4 mile straight in file ILS 6. Other traffic, please be advised.
Good night on 40, we've got you. We are seeking a split, so we'll come in behind you.
Roger, 23 Charlie Lima. I wasn't sure if he's hearing you.
Hope he was.
He didn't.
Yeah. No, it's not TX that's doing that. Yeah, anyway, we're good.
So what did you say, we can go down to 800?
866 for our minimums.
Okay.
Burlington traffic 052 is departing the area to the north.
How far out?
our best package.
Oh, it went into suspend mode, that's why. 9 miles from there, but...
I'm surprised it's not holding the heading. I mean, it's close, but...
Listen to show.
Yeah, we are about a 2 mile final.
Commercial-free music channel.
It's holding glide slope. It's 500.
Burlington traffic, Cessna 94822, clear runway 6, Burlington.
Go ahead.
Burlington traffic, Baron 423, Charlie Lima is about a 2 mile final for runway 6, ILS 6.
Find the Sirius XM.
Yeah, 2 red, 2 white, look.
Burlington traffic, night on 40, single Marine helicopter sequencing behind the ILS traffic.
Oh, there's a Marine helicopter. Alright, so when we land, we're going to go to the right, not to the left.
We are?
Yeah, well, his hangar's off to the right side.
I have to go down and turn.
Burlington
Yeah, you can
traffic,
go down and
Cessna
turn back, but
94822,
ultimately we're going to
to the FBO via Alpha.
500 feet to go.
Traffic.
Gear check.
Yep.
Red, blue, green. You don't need to push your prompts up yet, but okay.
I was going to slow us down a little.
Go for it. Alright.
SiriusXM.com/go to sign up.
Alright, 300 to go.
Moments happen so much at Sirius.
I'm going to go ahead and take it off.
Okay.
Autopilot's off.
My bad.
Sirius XM shows online and on.
And 4 flaps.
Okay.
All come to
Burlington traffic, Cessna Skylane 400 Kilo X-ray, descending through 3500, 10 miles southwest, inbound landing, runway 6 Burlington.
We're offering SiriusXM subscription plans for as low as $5 a month, plus fees and taxes. Call 844-711-8800 to find out more about these amazing offers.
Yeah, I didn't make that one.
Nah, it's alright. We'll go up here and we'll make a left and come back.
SiriusXM's annual holiday.
Looks like Echo taxi will work.
Your treats and all the horror you can imagine.
Burlington traffic, Nighthawk 40 with short final, runway 6.
Now on the SiriusXM.
Burlington traffic, Baron 423 Charlie Lima is clear of active.